So it's not just about absorbing the negative equity, it's about what payment is he comfortable with. Because what we're running into a lot recently is people with negative equity, and it's like, there are cars that we can absorb it with,
right,
but can you deal with a $2,000, $2,500 payment?
the guy has a Cadillac Escalade, so I think he's already decently
Oh.
new.
Oh.
What is it? What is
Oh, it's not good.
What is it?
Hold up, just guess.
Is it 40 grand? Is it 40 grand negative? It's higher than 40 grand?
Yeah.
Get out of here. How? The car, oh, so he put negative equity on this one too. He had to have, because the car MSRP was 113.
Well, I'm sure he did. It's a 2023. Oh, man.
God.
Oh, some of these are brutal. He's about 46 flipped.
Oh my God.
That's interestingly not even the worst that we've seen. Unfortunately,
Without
he
any
probably,
money down,
yeah, he's probably had a multiple string trading in and out of cars, rolling negative over and over and over again. Unfortunately, at this point, his only way out realistically is an EQ, and
he's not going to do that.
yeah.
He wants an AMG.
What about an AMG EQ? You should at least present the option. Don't say no for him.
We'll try.
You just got to keep it real with him. Be like, listen, dude, you've got two options at this point. Do everything you can to pay this thing down as quickly as you can.
Or put the difference down.
Or that.
And get whatever you want.
Just looking at the amount of negative that he has here, there's at least 2, if not 3 cars in a row traded in with negative equity that have gotten him to this point.
He needs to get out of it. Yeah.
So eventually you're going to have to break that cycle, and you're just not going to get like the ideal dream car unless you want to come up with all that money down. But he knows
get him into a lease?
in an EQ, he has to lease.
Oh yeah, obviously.
He cannot buy another car. And he's had this one, he's only had it since September of 2023. And it's a 2023 model. So this was...
Stop buying cars, yeah.
So not only that, but he's driving like $20K a year.
So he can't lease.
Yes, he can. He is exactly a high mile lease person. He's 45 grand flipped after 1 year and 23,000 miles almost in a car. Unless he does 36 or 48 month finances, he'll never be able to pay a car down quickly enough based on how much he depreciates it. Plus, he got into a minor accident on this one, and look what it did to his trade value.
Yeah.